pink color, brown, sky blue, orange, light green, red, black, grey, purple, yellow, dark green, dark blue, A, B, C, D, A to Z. Hello kids, you are welcome in this video. We are going to do A, B, C, A to Z. Let's start. The first letter we are going to write is A. A for apple. Letter B. B for basket. B for basket. C. Cat. C. Cat. D. Dog. D. Dog. Next is E. Elephant. E. Elephant. F. Frog. F for frog. G. G for girl. G. Girl. H. Horse. H for kids. Horse. I. Ink pot. I. Ink pot. J. Jug. J for kids. Jug. Letter K. Kite. K. Kite. L. Lion. L for lion. M. Monkey. M. Monkey. N for होता है kids nest. N for nest. आगे O. Letter O. Owl. P. Papaya. P for papaya. Q. Queen. Queen. R. R for rabbit. R for बच्चों rabbit. S. Ship. T. T से बना बच्चों tiger. T for tiger. U. Umbrella. V. Van. V for बच्चों van. W. Watermelon. X. Xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Yo-yo. Z. Zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, A to Z. Bye bye kids.